You know that feeling deep in a set where your muscles start to burn, your limbs feel like concrete, and your brain is screaming at you to quit. We've all been there. The burn is the ultimate performance killer. For years, people have been taking a supplement that gives them the tingles, thinking it's just a pre-workout hype ingredient. But new research, stuff that's just come out in the last year or two, shows that most people are using it completely wrong. Today, we're doing a deep dive into beta-alanine. I'm going to walk you through the newest medical studies from late 2023 through 2025 that changed the game on how you should take this physical performance. But even more interesting, we're going to look at surprising new evidence on what it does for your brain health and mood. Now, forget the bro science. Here is the actual data on beta-alanine. And welcome to my channel, MrHealthSpan. For nearly 30 years, I've worked as a nutritionist and personal trainer, helping people build unstoppable strength, limitless energy, and superior metabolic health the natural way. And I don't just teach it, I live it. I lead by example. I'm 100% drug-free, hormone-free, and alcohol-free. Now, in my late 40s, I'm sharper, man, I am stronger, and I'm healthier than ever. And I'm here to prove that the best is yet to come. Now let's go. Before we get to the benefits, you need to understand the problem. Beta-alanine itself doesn't actually do much. Its whole job is to get into your muscle cells and combine with another amino acid called histidine to build something called carnosine. Think of carnosine as a sponge inside your muscles. When you're working out at high intensity, your body produces hydrogen ions. This causes the pH level inside your muscles to drop. It becomes more acidic. That acidity is what causes the burning sensation and muscle fatigue. Higher levels of muscle carnosine act like a bigger sponge, soaking up those hydrogen ions and buffering that acidity. The result? You can push harder for longer before that fatigue forces you to stop. So what does the science say that actually translates to the gym and onto the track? The sweet spot for beta-alanine is high intensity efforts lasting between 1 and 4 minutes. Think rowing a 1K, 800-meter sprints, or high rep functional fitness workouts. A 2024 systematic review confirmed this, showing that it significantly delays neuromuscular fatigue in that specific 60 to 240 second time domain. It helps you squeeze out those last few critical reps or maintain your pace on the back half of a sprint. Now, here is where it gets really interesting, especially if you care about strength and power. For years, we thought take a big dose and you're good. But a brand new systematic review published just a few months ago in September of 2025 found a critical nuance. They found that for maximizing strength and power output, how you dose matters. They found that a fragmented dosing strategy, taking smaller doses like 0.8 grams multiple times a day, was more effective than taking one giant dose. Keeping a steady supply coming in seems to favor the adaptations needed for power better than dropping a huge bomb on your system all at once. And a quick side note on muscle growth. A 2024 meta-analysis clarified that beta-alanine does not directly build muscle like creatine does. But because it delays fatigue, it allows you to perform more total volume, which translates to more quality reps and sets. And that extra volume is what gives greater muscle growth over time. Before we move on to the surprising brain benefits, I'm curious. If you've taken beta-alanine before, did you take it as a pre-workout or did you load it consistently every day? Drop a comment below and let me know your protocol. I have a feeling most of us have been doing it wrong. Now, this is the part that really surprised me in the recent research. We always think muscle, but carnosine is highly concentrated in your brain, where it acts to protect your nerve cells. Up until recently, most studies on this were in elderly people. But a 2025 study on participants in the NEAT trial looked at younger adults ages 23 to 35. They found that supplementing with carnosine actually improved executive function and high-level cognitive performance. So we're talking about better focus and mental processing speed in healthy young people. Furthermore, a 2023 randomized controlled trial looking at older adults found something profound regarding mood. While it didn't fix every cognitive issue, the group taking beta-alanine had significantly reduced depression scores compared to the placebo group. It seems carnosine plays a significant role in maintaining brain homeostasis and resilience to stress. Briefly on aging, carnosine is a potent anti-glycation agent. It helps stop sugar in your bloodstream from gumming up proteins and fats, which is a primary driver of tissue aging and stiffening. A 2024 review focused on preventing sarcopenia, the muscle loss in the elderly. They found that beta-alanine consistently improved exercise capacity, meaning their time to exhaustion. It didn't automatically make them stronger without exercise, but it allowed our older population to move for longer periods, which is crucial for vitality. Now, how to actually take it, because dosing and timing, the protocol is everything. Now listen closely, because this is where everyone messes up. Beta-alanine is not a pre-workout. If you take it 30 minutes before the gym for the first time, it does almost nothing for that workout. It works by saturation. You have to build up levels in your body over weeks. The protocol: to increase your muscle carnosine levels by about 60%, you need to take 3.2 to 6.4 grams per day for at least 4 weeks. Once you are loaded, you can drop down to a maintenance dose of maybe 1.2 grams a day, or just keep rolling with the full dose. Now, timing does not matter at all. Just get it in your system every day. Now, let's talk about the tingles. It's called paresthesia. It's an itching or tingling on your face or your hands. It is totally harmless. It just means the beta-alanine is binding to nerve receptors under your skin. Now, if you hate that feeling, here is the fix based on the September 2025 review. Use the fragmented dosing strategy. Split your daily 3.2 to 6.4 grams into smaller 0.8 gram doses taken 4 to 8 times throughout the day, or just buy a sustained release version of the supplement. So there you have it. It's not just a pre-workout buzz. It's a scientifically validated tool for fighting fatigue in the 1 to 4 minute range. It may help your brain function and mood, and the newest data says spreading out the doses might be better for power athletes. Now, I've linked all the studies I mentioned, the 2024 reviews, that new 2025 dosing study, and the brain health trials down in the description below so you can check the data for yourself. Now, if you found this deep dive helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more no-nonsense science. Now, level up your health knowledge by watching these videos next. Keep pushing, stay strong, enjoy your beta-alanine tingles, and I'll see you in my next video.